What's up, cats? New Conor. So, over the past few years, I've really focused a lot on crossing off a lot of bucket list trips, but people are always asking me, what am I doing in between these trips? How do I afford everything? So, let's just jump into it and talk about what I do in between these trips. So, honestly, it's actually really simple. I choose a place to post up, I find a couple jobs, and I just get into a routine. Now, I am one, just like many, who struggles to find a career field that I'm passionate about. And I'm sure there's many deeper levels to this as well, but let's not get into that right now. But that's one reason why I've worked in so many fields, from restaurants to photography, catalog designer, and so on. I try my best not to get discouraged because I'm literally living my best life. But I'm always striving for more, and that's why I spend my mornings planning future trips and projects. So I'll usually start my year off with a rough idea of places or bucket list goals that I want to achieve that year. And throughout the year, I will spend hours on hours planning. There is a lot more to traveling than social media shows. After this, a big thing for me in the past couple years at least has been focusing on my health and building my physical skills. It's been one of those things where for years I would say, yeah, I'll do that eventually. But honestly, eventually will never happen unless I start now. So I try to work out consistently, mainly doing calisthenics, which is what I enjoy the most. Doing this in the morning for 1 to 2 hours, maybe 5 days a week. I slack on this a lot when I'm traveling, but you just gotta put in the effort and try your best. And of course, part of the routine is eating. Gotta get some breakfast and chill out before I head into work. Now, I am no social media guru or big travel photographer, like I said. I'm figuring out my way through life at my own pace, and for now, I fund all my trips in four ways. One is YouTube, making literally a handful of dollars. Second is freelance photography, something I do once in a blue moon, something I used to do as a full time income. The third is freelance graphic design. I'll really do this when friends and family just need something quick and simple. And lastly, serving in restaurants. Right now, I'm currently serving at a couple restaurants, one for lunches, one for dinners, working roughly 14-hour days. I basically finish work at one job and go straight to the other. For some people, this sounds insane, but traveling has given me a different perspective, and I'm thankful that I even have the opportunity to do this. Now, I've met people through my travels who might look at my situation and be like, why do you want to be stuck doing this? And to that, I simply say that I choose to do this. I know I could pursue a bunch of different fields and opportunities, but everyone goes at life at their own pace. And, I have friends around the world who work 60 hours a week just to survive. So the fact that I can just casually pick up a couple jobs and pursue pretty much everything I want to pursue in life is truly a privilege, and it makes it easy to just embrace the grind and just kind of plow through all the other BS. Outside of this, on my days off, I try my best to just create and spend time with friends and family and enjoy wherever I am. And right now, I truly am so hyped to be back in my hometown of Cincinnati.